seen the construction of SHE, and I said the EMF of the cell of SHE was 0.00 volts. Now let's see how am I going to use this SHE in finding the unknown or the given numerical, how to solve that. Here in the case 1, I'm going to do it with two cases. First case, I'm going to use SHE where, so let's write that as case 1. In case 1, I'm going to use zinc as anode. Okay, zinc is acting as an anode. So zinc electrode as anode, and your SHE is going to act as cathode. Standard hydrogen electrode is going to act as cathode. Done. So when this is acting as anode, what important concept should you say? You have to remember that this is going to undergo oxidation. It's understood. And oxidation, we already know it is loss of electrons. So how should I write the cell notation for this, for such particular thing? So simple. Just take zinc, then put a slash. Now which is the state? Solid. Now it is going to get converted to Zn+2 because this is, I'm taking this as anode, I'm taking that as cathode. Now here Zn+2, what is the thing? Aqueous. What is the concentration of that? 1 molar. Done. And you have your salt bridge. Done. Now you're going to take SHE. SHE is nothing but hydrogen electrode. So what do we write? This is going to form H plus ion. What is the state, physical state of that? That is, ions are formed in aqueous solution. Now what is the concentration of this? This is also 1 molar by hydrogen gas and your platinum electrode. Done? Yes. Now when I have to find the E0 cell of this, so I'm using this as anode, isn't it? So what is the formula? E0 cell is equal to E RHS minus LHS, a cathode minus anode. Correct? Let us write both the formula. RHS, E0 is important, minus E0 LHS, or E0 cell is equal to E0 cathode minus E0 anode. Understood? Done. Now E0 cathode, what did I take? I have taken hydrogen electrode. Correct? Now what should I write? E0 cathode hydrogen electrode. Let us write. So E0 cell is equal to E0. Now what happened? From hydrogen and from zinc, how many electrons went to hydrogen? 2 electron transaction happened. From Zn to Zn+2 means 1 electron to this 2 electrons. So what will I write? I am going to write 2H plus by H2 minus, what is anode here? This one. E0 by Zn+2 by Zn. I'll tell you why did I write like that. So cathode minus anode. Now what is the electrode potential for this one? E0 cell, that hydrogen, it is always 0.00 volts. Right? By convention. Now basically when they calculated the ready-made, I'm giving you the ready-made answer. The value for E0 cell value for Zn is 0.76 volts. So it is 0.76 volts. So when I take this E0 this side, E0 Zn+2 by Zn gave me minus 0.76 volts. So this is how you're going to find. You're taking one as 0, 0, the other one you're finding out. So this is how you calculate. Let's come back and use now SHE as anode and the copper as cathode.